Welcome to Exam Map. The topic is Bar Council of India. So it is a statutory body, that is it constituted under the Advocates Act 1961 to regulate the legal practice and legal education in India and to regulate and represent Indian bar. Its members are elected from amongst the lawyers in India and such represents the Indian bar. The functions are to lay down the standards of professional conducts, to safeguard the rights, privileges, and interests of advocates, to promote and support law reforms, to promote legal education, and to lay down standards of legal education, to recognize universities whose degree in law shall be qualification for enrollment as an advocate, to organize legal aid to the poor. The Bar Council of India consists of members elected from each state bar council and attorney general of India and solicitor general of India, who are ex officio members, and the members from the state bar councils elected for a period of 5 years, and council elects its own chairman and vice chairman for a period of 2 years from amongst its members. Thank you, class.